About 2 years ago, during my own inauguration ceremony as the governor of Edo State, I stated that it was a rare honor and pride for me to be sworn in barely a fortnight after His Royal Majesty Omanobanedo Kwakolokolo Obaewa II ascended the throne of his ancestors. For me, in addition to that honor, which is a fortuitous coincidence in terms of timing, and which also bestows on me the significance of the era in redefining, regenerating, and repositioning the glory and essence of the Benin Kingdom, I have learned from His Royal Majesty, our Royal Father Obaewa II, that the task of achieving the general well-being for our land and our people must be pursued with relentless vigor, uncompromising commitment, and diligence. I feel truly lucky as a governor, having the person of His Royal Majesty guide me. In fact, he, in a sense, helped me set my agenda for governance. Because during his coronation, he made a significant pronouncement of concern about some developments in the kingdom and in the state. One of them had to do with the nefarious activities of the community development associations. This pronouncement of his, which we later backed up with law, today has had a significant impact in terms of the peace and tranquility in our state. Another issue which he has set out to become our moral compass has been the issue of human trafficking and irregular migration. Our beloved Omanoba, the world will continue to be grateful to you for the actions you have taken to help us stop this scourge. I can go on and on the countless support which His Royal Majesty continues to give our government. But be rest assured, Your Royal Majesty, that we will not relent in ensuring that we lay the foundations of a peaceful and prosperous reign for you as our king. The business of these challenging narratives need to be met with uncompromising and very determined actions, as we have started. And I want to once again thank you for the appreciable success which we have recorded in fighting these issues. I believe that the book, The Benin Monarchy, an anthology of Benin history, is another masterstroke in redefining, regenerating, and repositioning the glory and essence of the Benin Kingdom and indeed our state. As a people with very revered cultural heritage, the greatness of the Benin Kingdom emanates from the uniqueness and the glory of its monarchy. I see this book presentation, therefore, as presenting very empirical facts to buttress the source of the kingdom's strength, which lies very profoundly in the strength of our monarchy. Before I end my speech, as you know, Your Royal Majesty, I just arrived this morning. About this same time yesterday in Leiden, in the Netherlands, the Benin Dialogue Group had a meeting. And for those of you who don't know, the Benin Dialogue Group is made up of all the prominent museums in Europe, members of the Royal Court, and officials of the government of Edo State. At that meeting yesterday, we decided and I assured the group that a Benin Royal Museum will be built and completed before the 20th of October in 3 years' time. We also got the commitment of the group that they were going to return many of the works that were taken from the palace during the unfortunate expedition in 1897. Your Royal Majesty, I believe that this is a befitting birthday present for you. Congratulations. Before I close my remarks, I want to wish you, on behalf of the people of Edo State, a fruitful reign in good health, and pray that the Almighty and our ancestors will continue to be with you and protect you for us for a long reign.
Amen.
Oba Atokpe.
Isa.